What is up, and welcome back to the videos. So in this video we went out to Wild West to do some training in preparation for the up and coming racing season, and whew, boy, let me tell you, my stamina is far off from what it used to be, or from where it was in November last year. The festive season did some damage. So we only did the red loop because the terrain was very wet because it was raining the last couple of days and the rocks were super slick. So as you can see, there's giant pools of water all over. The GoPro gave me loads of crap on this ride, so this little riverbed section is pretty much the only footage that I have that did not get corrupted from the whole ride. We did 3 laps of the red loop, and yeah, it's getting there. It's gonna take a bit more training to get ready for the racing, but I might skip the first couple of races of the season anyways. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way to help out the channel, and I promise you it'll be worth it, because I got some big stuff planned for you guys in February. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and yeah, enjoy the video.